Welcome back guys, Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to show you the updates for Shib, Shiba Inu USDT trading pair with my custom indicator set. What's going on now? Let's dive in. First of all guys, today I already posted the video about loop ring. I go and just check my ideas on trading what I posted in 2022, just to double check which idea was right, which idea was wrong. And guys, we all learn a lot during the last 3 years, and I still learn. So the trading, it's unstoppable process. Everything what we see on the market change every single day. New narratives, new trends, new hype, new news, new relationship, new partnership, new investor funds, all of that stuff is just so complicated. And we have to work in a complex, right, with all of that stuff. But what we can analyze, it's a chart. We can work with the data what we got at this current moment, and sometimes we'll get a mistake, and it's okay, guys. Without mistakes, you can't grow on this field. So take a look. The first mistake what I post on that idea, it's Shiba Inu break it out of downtrend line, break it down and go higher. No, guys. When we form the downtrend line, also I explained to you all of that downtrend lines in my educational video about downtrend lines and the trend lines, uptrend lines, just the lines. It's just hypothetical lines. So I already explained to you, the million traders around the world will post the absolutely different trend lines. Someone will draw the trend line on the 1 hour time frame and will be right locally. Someone will draw on the daily, someone on 12 time frame, weekly, monthly, yearly. So it's just in a theory. We can't know. And all of that stuff, so we got like one touch, second touch, breaking out, retest and going higher. It's cool, right? But it's for the books. But in the practice, it doesn't work like this one. There's a lot of factors by time, so here, looks like we're breaking out and should go higher. But after that, what happened? We're just going sideways 2 years. And only after that, here in February 2024, we bump. The problem with that, with this type of downtrend lines or the uptrend lines, what people draw, and including myself, when the price just move on the right side and out of that line, it just is sideways. So it's not a breaker, right? So we can't call it like we out of downtrends, retest and going higher. No, guys, because after that, take a look. Here was a June 2022, and in June 2023, after the year, we come back to the same level. That's the point, guys. So this is not a trend line. Got it. Some things wrong, something right. Take a look. This is a chart what I adjusted on the Binance. So because we got two charts. So this is a Shib crypto, and it shows like August 2020, right? But basically the Shib traded on the DAX before, and that's why we have to use the crypto. And I would like to show you with the indicator set on the global chart. We double check what the whales do now. And this is a Binance chart. So we're gonna track it also, this local one. You remember, if you've been here in 2021, it was a total madness, totally for real. Like now, with Pepe, or with some Trump talking, that time it was a hype and madness around the Shib. The Dogecoin, the Elon Musk, all of that dogs madness. Here, it was listed on a Binance. One more example, guys, it's a monthly time frame. So when you see some token list on a Binance, in 99% cases, it will be the sell even. After that, the Shib dump here 85% and pump again. The positive case scenario, we can form the 3 reps pattern and hit new all-time high. And maybe we'll cut even 1-0 for Shib this cycle. So it's going to be like 0.301. Yes, more than real to see. I don't think so. We will see something like this one and going higher. So people, I think now expect, so we have to breaking out that all-time high, retest it and going higher to cut 1-0, 2-0, 5 zeros and go to 1 cent, $1. You can imagine, but the There's a lot of still people who believe the Shib can hit $1 one day. I don't know what's wrong with these guys. Maybe they get some like brain damage or so. But guys, let's be real. If they reduce the, I don't know, maybe 80% of supply, maybe one day or 90% of supply. But guys, let's be real. No matter with the staking, with all of that, I don't know, rewards, with the fee, with when they burn some tokens, guys, there's like billions or even the trillions tokens. So just be real, guys. But anyway, the people have to believe in something, right? So this is local. Yes, it's a monthly time frame, but it's a local zones. What do we work now? It's like a range. For me, it's just like a range. So we got this low, this top, and we trade in this one. If we use, I mark the two FIBs. First one is this one. So capitulation, if we will see some flash crash, another COVID dump or so event, that 27 block, it's still the zone where more than okay accumulate the Shib, right? So we traded near that low. It was a 5041. This one we didn't test it, and we're going higher. I draw also the trend line. I draw trend line like this one because on the weekly time frame, let's hide that trade on. I draw by line chart. After that, so around here, I posted the idea and I was wrong. So here, it was not a breaking out. And here, now it's mostly looks like breaking out because usually we form something like this one. Top, and this one, what everybody drawing here, trend line, and including myself, it was not a downtrend line. This is a large downtrend line with a volume, with a pump. We reject, drop it down, hold the line at zero level. Now we're breaking out again and retest, try and hold the line of this line with some fake outs on candles. So would it be good to see the test of zero level again, 0.4017 and going higher. Can we drop and sweep the low of August 24? Yes, it's possible, guys. More than real. Now we can form something like double bottom, sweep this low and going higher. The size of this double bottom here, in theory, can be over than 61 level by FIB, based on this FIB. So, guys, now it looks like this one. And this trend line, more legit. To draw the trend line by weeks or by body candles or by a line chart, it's also the different condition for the trend lines. And there is no right or wrong. Also, take a look. It looks like, for me, it looks like a range also, what I explained to you. If we identify this is like a low, yes, in this case, we not form the deviation at the bottom, but we have to form a 1 day deviation at the top. This is what I mean. When we can sweep this high with a week, we can test 0.301 and then going down in the next bear market. So if this is a range, most positive case scenario, if we form something like this one, and after that in 2027, 2028, form deviation at the bottom. After that, of course, now we talk about a global stuff. If Shib will be still exist, we can form some like global double bottom, and in zone 30, right, we can hit the, I don't know, 0.2025. Just like example, guys. Of course, it's a so long time period. It's a global chart. Local one, of course, the capitulation. If we drop this one, form now deviation at the bottom. Of course, it's going to be the pretty bad one case scenario because we're going to waste the time. So I rate there to see the continuation to the equilibrium. This one around here, we will see the crazy post about Shib going to the moon. Shib going to $1, 10 cents, $5, $10, and all of that stuff. Maybe they will post some partnership, but I still believe in Ethereum. One things. Next one, I still believe we will see the meme coin season again with Sol meme coins and Ethereum meme coins. Sooner or later, guys, I think the crowd will flip from Sol meme tokens to Ethereum again and start blaming the Sol. So when the Sol can hit, for example, the new all-time high and meme tokens on the Sol will go down and Ethereum meme coins start perform, you will see how the crowd start blame the Sol meme tokens and Sol ecosystem and start talk about, let's make the Ethereum great again. And the Shiba will pump and the Doge will pump, I think. But guys, just be real with your expectations, because this was the last cycle we pump it. We traded not almost at that level. So why we should pump much higher, I don't know. Be real with your expectations. So this is a global chart. What I would like to show you the indicator set. ADZ, unfortunately, I can't show you because it's not from exchange, but global ticker. So here, and why we can form the deviation at the bottom next cycle, because it can be this story, you know, and sweep that liquidity pool. Imagine we build huge liquidity pool. This one in June 2023, we didn't sweep this one. And we didn't form the monthly fulfill. Of course, it's not necessary, so we should all the time drop to the fulfill. But it's more than real to see. So in theory, for example, if we hit cut 1-0, like this one. So let's check this one. So we cut 1-0. In the next bear market, we can dump 95% to fulfill of monthly gap. So just in case. And yes, it's more than real to see, for example, this pump, like 1,600% gains from that low. It's more than okay, guys, for Shib, because Shib too heavy. It's billion capitalizations. So that's the point, guys. Should we drop now? I don't think so. I don't think so. Monster time frame, global one, we didn't even test the middle line of this token. So yes, Shib got a potential. Not that big like people waiting for, right? But yes, Shib is not a low cap meme token, but got a potential for the upside one. Take a look at the direction on the weekly. Here, accumulation. Still no top for direction. It's good. It's good. Take a look, market moon, money power. Now it's like a positive in the market. This was a top, Apria, MACD, bearish divergence, it dropped. Now it's a positive. We're almost at the same levels, but it's a positive. Last time positive was here. We dropped to the disbelief and pump. So now I would like to see something like maybe a small correction and going higher. So the time will fly so fast, guys, in the next 3 months. So mark your zones. Take a look also the monster time frame, market mode, all this period it was a free. So the whales distribute their backs. Here also was a MACD bearish divergence. Now it's a hope. It's just a market mood based on a market mode indicator, just a hope. And there is no money outflow. We need to see some money outflow like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks strange, right? Why do they distribute their tokens here, not here? They distribute it here also, but on a smaller portion, right? Because they can't dump it immediately. So they need to take time. 1, 2, 3 months drop. Then in consolidation, they distribute it because they accumulated here. So just be careful, guys. And I think around here, we will see another money outflow based on this indicator. Take a look, that trade on. It was sell, sell. Now no new signal to buy back. Weekly time frame. It was a buy back, sell, buy back, sell, sell, buy back, sell, and all of that stuff. Time it's buy back. This one, 1, 2, 3. Signal to sell. So what I mean, we can form something like double bottom and going hard. Not exactly. It should be like equal, you know, double bottom, like this one. No, it can be like, I don't know, sweep this low and going higher. And it's also will be the double bottom with the size of that double bottom around here. So just mark your entry, mark your exit. Also, the traders now start build the triangles, definitely, who trade a classic TA, and we can go higher. Take a look at the last indicators, take profit. Here, the negative case scenario, it's a test on the weekly time frame, the buy line, and form the double bottom global one. It's 0.401. It's a weekly time frame. It's going to be pretty bad for Shib. Daily time frame a little bit better. It's 0.4015. And 12 time frame, yes, like you can see, the line's going down. So definitely, I think we will sweep this low. Maybe you're going to test the 0.401553. This one. So I hope, of course, guys, we will not drop to this line again, because it will be pretty tough for all market. So guys, all targets, I explained to you the logic, I explained to you. We're going to track this idea again. Maybe I will share the new one. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. And if you want to trade with this custom indicator set what I showed in this video, just write my DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.